Let's start by clearing something up. When people hear the phrase AI proof, it can sound a little dramatic. Like you're supposed to put on armor, learn to code overnight, and defend yourself from robots. Good news, that's not what AI proof is about. You don't need to compete with AI. You don't need to become technical. And you definitely don't need to beat it. Being AI proof is much simpler than that, and honestly, a lot less stressful. First, let's talk about what AI proof does not mean. It does not mean becoming a programmer, memorizing complicated prompts, using every new AI tool that shows up on social media, or turning into an AI expert overnight. If that's what this is all about, most people would close the tab right now, and I wouldn't blame them. That's not the goal here. So what does AI proof actually mean? Here it is in plain language. Being AI proof means you know how to use AI as a tool, instead of feeling confused, overwhelmed, or left behind by it. That's it. It means you understand where AI helps. You know when it makes sense to use it, and you stay in control of the final result. AI-proof people don't panic when technology changes. They adjust and then move forward. Here's a quick reality check. We've been here before. When email became popular, people worried it would ruin communication. When the internet exploded, people worried they'd fall behind. When smartphones showed up, people weren't sure how they'd keep up. And yet, here we are. The people who learned how to use the tool, not master it. These are the ones who benefited most. AI is no different. AI is an amplifier, not a replacement. This is one of the most important ideas for you to remember. AI doesn't replace people. It amplifies them. AI is great at working fast, spotting patterns, drafting ideas, summarizing information, repeating tasks without complaining. But AI still depends on humans for judgment, context, goals, taste, decision-making. Without human direction, AI just produces stuff. With human direction, it becomes useful. Now, this is the mindset shift that changes everything. Becoming AI-proof isn't about learning a tool. It's about changing one question. Instead of asking, is AI going to replace me? AI-proof people ask, how can AI help me do what I already do, better and faster? That shift alone puts you ahead of most people. This concept is not about chasing tools. Tools change. Interfaces change. Features come and go. What you're learning here are skills that transfer. How to think clearly with AI. How to communicate effectively with AI. How to use AI to save time and improve results. Those skills stay useful, even when the tools change. One more thing, and this matters. You are not starting from zero. If you are able to explain a task, ask a clear question, give feedback, make decisions, then you already have the most important skills AI needs from you. AI doesn't expect perfection. It improves through interaction. And that's something humans are naturally good at. Here's what AI-proof looks like in real life. In everyday terms, an AI-proof person uses AI to think faster, not harder, uses AI to draft ideas, then refines them with judgment, uses AI to learn, plan, and organize. An AI-proof person also knows when not to use AI. It's not about doing more work. It's about doing smarter work. So when we say AI-proof, what we really mean is this. You stay adaptable. You stay curious. You stay in control. And most importantly, you don't let fear make decisions for you. In upcoming lessons, we'll talk about the human skills AI can't replace, and why those skills matter more now than ever. If this helped clarify things, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI lessons. You'll also find a link in the description to the AI Beginner Academy if you'd like to continue learning at your own pace. Thanks for spending a few minutes here with me.